Egg versus paneer. Which is a better source of protein for breakfast? Importance of protein. Protein is the building block of the human body. It plays a vital role in building, repairing, and maintaining tissues. It forms the foundation of muscles, skin, hair, and even enzymes and hormones that regulate key bodily functions. A protein-rich diet supports muscle growth, boosts metabolism, and helps keep you full for longer, and hence adding a rich source of protein to your breakfast meal is necessary. It works like fuel that keeps you active and charged throughout the day. And nothing works easier and healthier than adding some eggs or paneer to your breakfast as a rich source of protein. But which one is better out of the two? Let us explore. Eggs' nutritional content. One boiled or poached egg weighing 44 grams contains 5.5 grams protein, 4.2 grams total fat, 24.6 milligrams calcium, 0.8 milligrams iron, 5.3 milligrams magnesium, 86.7 milligrams phosphorus, 60.3 milligrams potassium, 0.6 milligrams zinc, 162 milligrams cholesterol, and 13.4 micrograms selenium. Egg benefits for breakfast. It is said that eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition and an excellent choice for breakfast. It is said that they are rich in high-quality protein, which helps build and repair muscles while keeping you full for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking. Packed with essential vitamins like B12, D, and choline, eggs support brain function, boost metabolism, and improve overall energy levels. Their healthy fats and antioxidants, like lutein and zeaxanthin, promote eye health and protect against inflammation. Additionally, eggs are low in calories yet highly nutritious, making them ideal for weight management. The best ways of enjoying them for breakfast are boiled, scrambled, or omelets for a delicious and wholesome meal. Despite common myths, eggs can actually support heart health when consumed in moderation, thanks to their healthy fats. Paneer's nutritional content. 40 grams of low-fat cottage cheese or paneer provides 7.54 gram protein, 5.88 grams fat, 4.96 grams carbs, 37.32 microgram folates, 190.4 milligrams calcium, 132 milligrams phosphorus, and 50 milligrams potassium. Paneer benefits for breakfast. It is said that paneer is an excellent choice for breakfast as it is packed with high-quality protein, essential for muscle growth and sustained energy throughout the day. Its slow digesting nature keeps you full for longer, reducing cravings and aiding in weight loss and management. It is rich in calcium and phosphorus that help with strengthening bones and teeth, making it a great option for all age groups. It also contains healthy fats that provide steady energy without spiking blood sugar levels, making it ideal for diabetics. Additionally, paneer is easy to digest and versatile, allowing you to prepare a variety of nutritious dishes like paneer bhurji, stuffed parathas, or salads for a wholesome and delicious start to the day. In Ayurveda, paneer is considered a sattvic food, light, nourishing, and promoting mental clarity. It helps balance vata and pitta doshas, offering steady energy without heaviness. What does the study say about paneer? Paneer has a fairly high level of fat, 22 to 25%, and protein, 16 to 18%, and a low level of lactose, 2.0 to 2.7%. Paneer is of great value in diet, especially in the Indian vegetarian context, because it contains a fairly high level of fat and proteins, as well as some minerals, especially calcium and phosphorus. It is also a good source of fat-soluble vitamins A and D, so its food and nutritive value is fairly high. Superior nutritive value of paneer is attributed to the presence of whey proteins that are a rich source of essential amino acids. Due to its high nutritive value, paneer is an ideal food for the expectant mothers, infants, growing children, adolescents, and adults. Paneer is also recommended by clinicians for diabetic and coronary heart disease patients. What does the study say about eggs? Egg protein is a remarkably abundant source of protein, with an amino acid score of 100 and the highest net protein utilization rate. It is also said that it contains approximately the same amount of branched-chain amino acids as milk protein. It also has more sulfur-containing amino acids than other protein sources. The amino acid score for EWP is 100, and its net protein utilization is reported to be higher than that of whey protein. Proteins are also present in eggshell membranes. It is mentioned that egg white is a good source of protein that can be utilized to increase body protein, that is, muscle mass. Overall, eggs provide a nutrient-dense, bioavailable protein source that supports metabolic health, muscle function, and antioxidant defense. They improve muscle mass and have muscle strengthening and anti-fatigue effects when consumed during exercise. They can improve lipid metabolism by reducing visceral fat and lowering serum cholesterol levels. The intake of egg protein may thus contribute to the prevention of physical disorders. Egg versus paneer, the better source of protein. It is said that eggs and protein have similar nutrient compositions. These are complete sources of protein, as they contain all 9 nutrients required to make protein, hence they are considered high-quality proteins. Besides, dairy products and eggs are rich in vitamin B12 and vitamin D, 2 nutrients that are scarcely found in any plant-based foods. If we look at the nutrient levels, both are healthy and can be included in the diet on alternate days. For vegetarians trying to lose weight, eating paneer can be as beneficial as eating eggs. One can further add soy products, lentils, and nuts to the diet to get the maximum nutrients and maintain steady, balanced energy throughout the day.